All right, my fellow detailers, today I'm gonna try to show you how to save some money. A lot of times when we out detailing these cars, you run into that problem where the hose bust. That's a common problem. If it haven't happened to you yet, it's gonna happen if you continue in this trade. All right, this is the back of my unit here, and I run two pressure washers, and I had a hose bust. Being the cameraman and the host, it makes it a little difficult, but you can see, I run what I call my twins, and I got two reels as well, because that makes it a lot more easier to pack up and go when you don't have to mess around with that thick hose trying to get it right. But in any case, my issue was my hose my hose bust in a real bad spot too. It's a good spot because I'm not going to be losing that much hose, because every time you do a hose repair, you end up losing inches off your hose, or feet sometimes, depending on where it busts. If it busts in the middle, oh my goodness, you lose half the hose, unless you just put two repair kits on it and whatever. Anyway, you get my point. But I already started before I did this video, but you'll be able to see. So it bust about right here, like it bust. Actually, it bust right at the right in the fitting, so it bust in the fitting. So that's a hard spot. So I had to take it from the reel and everything like that, and get it going. Now, what you need to buy is what you call a hose repair kit. Most of your pressure washer stores will sell that hose repair kit. A lot of them will charge you a good $30 or so to actually repair it themselves. It's probably about $15 to $20 for the kit, and they'll probably charge you about $15 to $20 to actually to do it. You can do it yourself. It's very easy. I'm not even the most mechanically inclined individual, but you can do it yourself. The hose repair kit, I got my vice grips on this right here just because they are recyclable. You know what I'm saying? I'm using a old hose down here that I still have, but it's just old and been repaired too many times, and it's old. I got my money worth out of it. Eventually you just need a new hose. So I got my money worth out of that one. Well, I use the repair kit on that, and these repair kits are recyclable. So, the repair kit consists of this little piece right here that goes into the that goes over the hose, and this right here is the part that kind of screw in. This one is a little worn, and you can see where my vice grips kind of ate up on it, but hey, it's still gonna work, trust me. But so the first step is you're gonna have to cut this. Now, if you're dealing with pressure washer hose, you're not gonna just cut it with no scissors. You know what I'm saying? So you can get a little tool and cut it. And I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. And I'm gonna try to be as safe as possible and try to video this thing, so that people can see. So I'm gonna put it where you can get it. The more you cut, the more you're gonna lose. I got my little Dremel tool right here, and that's gonna get me going. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is not the safest practice, you know what I'm saying? But if I was in my group, if I don't have a vice right now, but I'm working on that. Once I get me a vice, I'm gonna have this on a vice, and you can just cut it off real easy. But anyway, this go quick if you're not scared of sparks. Put my safety goggles on. At least I'll be able to see myself cutting off my fingers. Want to try to cut that as straight as possible, because you do have to use this area. So you want it to be cut good. Bang. I cut that thing off quick and easy. And now this, I want to straighten it out a little bit, because it's kind of cut at an angle, but I want to straighten it. It makes it a lot easier for the repair. Bam. I do this right in the middle of a job site. When the hose bust, I'm fixing that hose right now. My help is gonna be on that other one. Take my air, blow it out. You ain't got air on your detailing unit, you better get it. All right, so now the next thing is this little piece here that I already got the vice grips on. Put it in there, and it goes in the opposite direction of how you would originally screw something. It screws on the opposite way, and it goes real easy. You take a look on the inside; it's gonna show a little area. You're gonna take it all the way to the actual screw-in threads that you screw this part in. So you're gonna go all the way there, and I can sit there and really, literally, like hold it, you know, with a tight grip, and turn this thing counterclockwise and get it all the way there. It's kind of raining out here, so that's why I had my got my tent. Matter of fact, the rain has kind of stopped. Hold on one second. Okay, yeah, that lighting is much better. The rain has actually stopped, so now I can really see. Yeah, so I'm all the way to the threads now. I still got this connected, and now your other piece of the repair kit. The repair kit is going to come with this piece here that my vice grips is on, and this little piece right here. Now it's up to you. You're going to have to buy a separate little piece right here so that you can connect your gun or connect it to your pressure washer, depending on wherever it break at, you know. But in this case, it's going into my reel, so I had to take this piece off, and that was quite a task, being that it's been on it for so long. But now I'm screwing this in, and honestly, ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it. You know, once I get this screwed in, because this here is going to go all the way into it's going to go into the hose and everything, so I'm going to be good. And this screw in just like your regular screw, you know, and you get that in there. You want it going all the way to that rubber, and I like it tight. Now, in the event that I was just repairing my hose because it bust while I was washing the car, I can just snap it on right now and I'm good. I'm done. But I gotta put this onto the reel, so it's a little bit extra step. So, but as far as this goes, hold on, get it real tight. Try not to bust my knuckles. Anybody ever worked on anything and bust their knuckles, you know that's rough. Bam. About to bust my knuckles right here. Just to take these vice grips off. That's why I left them vice grips on while I was doing this. Because I didn't want those vice grips to move. Now, everything is done easier with better tools. You know, I'm just using some vice grips because everybody got a couple pair of those, and that's what that's easy to do. But in essence, the hose is repaired. It's fixed. It's fixed. I cut off a little bit. I had to cut off this piece right here because this is where my particular issue was. Cut that off, and now, you know, if I was needing to quick connect it, You know, I put some of the tape around it, and I screw that on, tighten it up, and quick connect it. But since I'm putting it in here, I'm gonna just put some tape around it, and then put it right into this area of my reel right here, right, you know, right there on my reel, and there, and I'm gonna be good to go. I hope this was helpful. Save some money, live better, get this money. It's enough cars out here for everybody. Let's do this.